And they were like, excuse me. And I literally went,
calling in all divas. It's time to glitter up your day with Simonalisa.
I got sunburnt. Is it blush or is it a sunburn? I don't know if you guys are noticing a little tiny difference in my room, but I added a little scarf thing up there. I actually moved a few things around. I'm gonna show you guys what's in my pool/beach bag. This is literally what I brought to the pool with me today. It's the first pool day of the season. So I'm like, obviously, I need to show you guys what's in my bag. Also, I'm gonna put my bracelets back on. Give me a second. I really wanna feel like a mermaid right now. So these are the bracelets I was wearing today. They're my go-to summer bracelets. Like, I always kind of put the same ones on. I love them so much. So today was the first pool day of the season. Oh my god, it was such a great day. I had like 4 hours of sleep. It was so worth it. Woke up, made a latte, iced latte for me and my sister. We went straight there. I packed my bag and stuff the night before, and we were there from like 12 to 8. So we were there for the whole day pretty much. I made sure to put on so much tanning oil because I want to get tan. So don't worry, this sunburn is going to turn into a tan, and hopefully I'll be out here looking like I'm on Jersey Shore because that's the goal. The one thing is, I was actually trying to protect my face from the sun because I didn't want to wear sunscreen, and I still got sunburn. So oopsie. Starting off with what this bag is, I thrifted it. It's like a BB bag. The interior is leopard print. It's so gorgeous. We're gonna start with the little zip pocket over here. So I have my sister's scrunchie, Tylenol. Actually, I don't want to start with this pocket. Forget what I just showed you. In here, I have like my electronics. So I have this little pouch in it. And in here, I have my MP3 player, earbuds. I have an extra SD card that has nothing on it. I don't know. Yeah, so that's in here. This is just the best way to listen to music anywhere, really. And then I have my digital camera. It's in this hideous green case. But the camera ain't hideous. The camera's super cute. I put little stickers on it. We have this, which is my logo. This is before I revamped it, though, and made it better, but whatever. And then we have Sheridan, Bratz Forever Diamonds, the Cool Cat logo thing for Jade, and Bratz Kissy Lips. Of course, speaker with the charger. And I have earbuds, and I have a portable charger. I keep all that in here. I mainly have my portable charger for my MP3 player, because if that dies, like, I don't know what I would do. And then my book sleeve. This is like a essential no matter where I'm going. Like, I'll always carry everything in here. Usually more, but because I already had so much in my bag, I concised it to this book and my diary, and then I also have some tabs in here to tab my book that I'm reading. And then I have this little glasses case, but my sunglasses weren't even in it because I just threw them in there. So this is that, and this is that is these. So these sunglasses, I thrifted them. I don't know if the brand is even on here, but the sides are cool. Like, I like the little tiny rhinestones and the detailing, and I just love how these fit on me. Like, today I was literally like this. Like, I had my this bikini top. This is one of my favorite bikini tops, and I was literally like this, and I was walking, and I probably looked like a diva because that's the point. So this little kid was trying to be rude today, and they just said something dumb. Like, I wasn't in their way. I was walking, and they were like, excuse me, and I literally went. I don't think I did have my sunglasses, though. I think I went. And they were like, oh, sorry. Yeah, you messed with the wrong bitch. Like, don't be annoying. This kid they were like 13. Like, I don't know why they were being so dumb. And then for my emergency pouch, this also goes in most of the bags I carry. And what is in this pouch pretty much never changes. Mini deodorants need to be in, like, all of my bags. I have a few of these just, like, out and about somewhere. And then I have little Band-Aids. They're all these little Kuromi ones. And I have a hand sanitizer. Always gotta pack one of those. I have a mini Victoria's Secret roller, but I also have one more body mist in here. I'll show you guys in a bit. And then I have tiny little Kleenex. Oh, maybe I should be like showing stuff more up close. My bad. And then this hand cream. That's another thing I need on me at all times. Like my hands, they feel dry, and whenever they do, I just need hand cream on me. And then floss on the go always. This gum, okay, this is, I don't know where you could get it other than Macedonia. It's probably all around Eastern Europe, but this reminds me of my home, and it tastes so good and so nostalgic to the last time I was... Oh, I dropped my floss on the ground. Ugh, whatever, I'm gonna use them anyway. Oopsie. Okay, what else is it? Oh my god, I have coupons for the thrift store. Wait, I hope they're not expired because I don't know how old they are. Okay, I think we're good. December 2025, that hasn't happened yet. Perfect. A few more things. More floss in case I want the string one instead. Another Band-Aid, this one's just ugly. And then panty liners. As for the actual pouch, it's this little fuzzy leopard one. And I have this keychain. This Kuromi keychain on there. And then this is my other fragrance mist. I love just like, it smells like little cookies and it's just fun and fresh. And it's not, it doesn't smell fresh, but it's just a fun, sweet smell. Like it just smells like a bakery. And it's not something that I would wear day to day, but something about like if I'm at the pool, I just love smelling good in general, so I'll just spray this on. I don't know how to explain my thought process here, but it's just like one of my favorite perfumes is like Britney OG Fantasy, but because I'm submerging myself into water, I'm like not gonna wear my favorite perfume. Even though that is on the affordable side, I'm gonna go the even more affordable route and go with that if I'm at the pool, because then I can just spray 5 times a day and I don't care if I'm like using up the whole bottle in a day. Then I have my keys. I have my Rouge keychain. I don't know if this was just from my childhood, but it's like the plasticky string, and you can make different little keychains, and there's different patterns you can do. So yeah, I love those. Oh, I also have this baby fat keychain. I have my full-size deodorant in here, and we got random things. I have tampons in here. You never know what's gonna happen. Oh, I have another, what is this? I have this body cleanser. It was like a free one that like the Sephora gift, birthday gift stuff. And then this tiny umbrella. I don't remember how I got this. I got this literally last summer, and it just stayed in my beach bag this whole time. And then Tylenol, you can't go anywhere without some painkillers. And this melted little chocolate bar. I always bring these with me wherever I go. I forgot I had this too because it was in my pool bag since last summer. And I love it because there's a flamingo on it, and it's pink. Oh my god, and it just smells like delicious, I don't know, candy, fruits. I mean, the name is passion fruit and banana flower, but yeah, so like fruity, summery. What else? What did I not show you guys? I have tissues, more tissues, and little wipes. That is everything that's in my pool bag. Thank you for watching, angels, and make sure to leave some glitter everywhere you go. Mwah.